Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today topic: how to taking care of your budgie. Taking care of a budgie or budgeriga involves several important aspects to ensure their well-being. Here are some guidelines on how to take care of your budgie. 1. Cage and environment. Provide a spacious cage that allows your budgie to fly and move around comfortably. Use a cage with horizontal bars for climbing. Place the cage in an area where there is no direct sunlight, drafts, or extreme temperature fluctuations. Line the cage floor with appropriate bedding or newspaper for easy cleaning. 2. Nutrition. Offer a balanced diet consisting of high-quality budgie seed mix, pellets, and fresh vegetables and fruits. Include dark leafy greens, carrots, broccoli, and fruits like apples or berries. Ensure a fresh supply of clean water daily. Occasionally offer treats like millet sprays as a source of enrichment. 3. Social interaction. Budgies are social birds and require regular interaction with their owners or other budgies. Spend time talking, singing, and playing with your budgie every day. Consider getting a companion budgie if you have only one, as they are flock birds and enjoy the company of others. 4. Mental stimulation. Provide various toys and perches to keep your budgie mentally stimulated. Offer toys with different textures, colors, and shapes to encourage exploration and play. Rotate toys regularly to prevent boredom. 5. Exercise and flight. Allow your budgie to exercise by providing regular opportunities for flight outside the cage in a safe, bird-proofed room. Supervise closely to ensure their safety and prevent accidents or escape. Provide different-sized perches to help exercise their feet and prevent foot problems. 6. Grooming. Budgies groom themselves, but you can assist by providing a shallow dish of clean water for them to bathe in. Offer a bird-safe bathhouse or mist them lightly with lukewarm water using a spray bottle. Trim their nails occasionally if they become too long or sharp. 7. Veterinary care. Schedule regular checkups with an avian veterinarian to ensure your budgie's health. Watch for any signs of illness such as changes in behavior, appetite, or droppings. Seek veterinary attention promptly if you notice any concerning symptoms. Remember, budgies are intelligent and social creatures that require daily care, attention, and love. By providing a suitable environment, a balanced diet, social interaction, and mental stimulation, you can ensure your budgie leads a happy and healthy life.